Larry with MarineMax in Jacksonville, Florida. We are on board a brand new Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. This is a perfect boat for Northeast Florida, set up with twin 200 Mercury outboards, extremely efficient. This boat is quick, it's quiet, and it's set up with two live wells, one here in the transom, one here in the leading post. Great for all the live bait bottom fishing and king fishing that we do here in Jacksonville. And as we go forward, you're going to see this boat is set up with twin Simrad 12-inch displays, VHF radio. It's ready for the radar of your choice, and it's turnkey ready to go. As we walk up forward, you're going to see some really great seating up here for the family. Nice and comfortable, big seats with backrests. I'm sitting on top of a huge built-in cooler that I'm going to show you here, so it keeps your deck nice and clean and free of clutter. Plenty of space on a really well insulated cooler here for all your drinks for an entire day. We've got storage in the floor for your fish box, two fish boxes, port and starboard in the rear deck, as well as storage up here underneath the front seat. This boat's equipped with a windlass, makes it nice and easy to anchor. We can always add a trolling motor if you would like that as well. If you'd like to sea trial this boat, give us a call today at 904-545-5310.